With all the extra inside time during the winter, we often discover repairs we've missed. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to take care of those water-stained ceilings right after this.
If your old kitchen's full of fumes and your bath's a steamy mess, they need a makeover, and you need to enter the Healthiest Home on the Block contest, brought to you by Broan-NuTone and Today's Homeowner. The winner gets a healthy home audit, a kitchen range hood, bath vent fans, and a whole house ventilation system. Plus, their makeover will be featured on a special episode of the Today's Homeowner TV show. See official rules and enter now for your chance to win the healthiest home on the block at todayshomeowner.com/healthyhome.
When a roof leak breaches the living space of your home, it can stain the drywall where it soaks through the ceiling. Many people assume that they can just roll a coat of ceiling paint over the spot, but it doesn't work that easily because that stain will bleed right back through ordinary paint. The solution is a stain-blocking primer, and the easiest way to apply it is with a spray can. In fact, some manufacturers design cans to spray upward specifically for this reason. First, cover the area beneath the stain with a drop cloth, and then gently dust the spot with the primer until it disappears. You want to make sure you feather the primer out along the stain so that the repair is less visible. And remember, several light coats are better than one heavy one. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.